Hello, gamers. I was tipped off recently that somebody was saying some really bad things about me. Hate on Purring Thunder. This person hates me. I cannot believe. Guys, hate in Purring Thunder. Friends with a myth? Roblox myths are evil people and deserve to die in real life. I can't believe this. Roblox myths are evil, so hate on Purring Thunder. They spelled hate right. That's when you know it's real. They redid their smiley face. That's how genuine they are. They're serious. They're killing Purring Thunder. They're straight up killing me. Oh my god, they even killed my internet. This is so sad. Oh my gosh. They're blinking at me. They're just blinking. Menacingly. How could they do this to me? Yeah, that's your conscience. Stop. Stop doing it. Don't kill anybody. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just died in real life. I'm just dead. This is so sad. They're better than me. They're better than Purring Thunder. How is that even possible? Killing Purring Thunder? Again? They killed me again. How many lives do I have again? I don't even know. Purring Thunder keeps stealing it? What am I stealing? Am I stealing your heart? I could. Wow. Yeah. That's totally, not my art. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just died. That's me. I just got killed. I just got killed. How could they? How could they do this? They killed me twice. And now I'm getting arrested? How much more can one Purring Thunder take? This is terrible. Hey guy, today I will be explaining why Purring Thunder should be in jail. I should be in jail. 1. She's friends with Slot of Myths. Myths are demons from hell. They should all die. Kill all of the myths. Yes, I agree with that. Myths are demons from hell. Never ever play Roblox. I mean, these are spitting straight facts. You may not like it, but she's spitting straight facts. Yeah, see, even Purring Thunder agrees. Purring Thunder should be arrested. Do you see this? How could Purring Thunder do such a thing? Arrest Purring Thunder right now. Purring Thunder needs to be arrested, I'm telling you. This is insane. I don't think I could take this. I can't believe that Purring would do this. Purring Thunder? I'm so done. I'm so done.